Carla, or Carla, happy 18th birthday. Dalagang dalaga ka na. Pwede ka na makulong. Joke, hindi nga. Pero, with all the things going on around here, I suggest you keep safe. Anyway, wish you all the best in your studies, hobbies, interests, or sports, if there's any. In your love life, social life, and whatever. In everything. Wish you all the best in everything. Wish you more birthdays to come, more blessings, good health to you and your family. We really miss you down here. So, hope to see you again. Hope we can see each other again. So, that's it. Once again, happy birthday. Otanjibu, kumiritu gozaimasu. Ha! Kaya ko rin mag-Japanese. Sorry kung mali yung diction. Anyway, happy birthday. I hope you'll enjoy this day. I know you will. Take care and God bless. Bye.